Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Vid.io and use the AI tools that has been implemented here in this video editor. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go with the video. So as you can see here, we have all of the tools that Vid.io has used. So all of this is to do with video editing, but if we take a look at these three right here, these are all the available AI tools that we can use in Vid.io. First of all, let's take a look at AI Image Generator. So with AI Image Generator, we are able to create a prompt. So we can describe what we see, and then when we hit generate, it will generate an image for us. So it's essentially a text to image AI tool, and we can generate whatever we can think of. So at the bottom here, we can choose the image resolution that we want. We have 256 by 256, 512 by 512, and 1024 by 1024. So let's go ahead and try this AI image generator. So let's say I want a monkey sipping coffee and looking at a flying castle in cartoon art style. Let's go ahead and generate. So with our prompt, the AI will try to generate whatever prompt that we have given. And here we go. So we have the monkey here, we have coffee here, we have the castle right here. So we can either download this, or we can copy the link and then send it afterwards. Again, we can change the resolution if we want. And let's say this is not our ideal image. We can go ahead and generate another image. And there you go. So here is another image that we have right here. So we have the monkey looking at a flying castle and sipping coffee as well in cartoon style. So that is one of the tools that we can use with Vid.io. We can download it as an image and then we can put it in our editor later on. Now let's take a look at AI Video Script Generator. In this AI script generator, this would allow us to create a script that we want. So all we need to do is create a sentence about the topic that we want. We can select the kind of vibe that we want and then pick a video format as well. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's say I want beach destinations to visit. In our vibe section, we can add casual, professional, funny, informative, and creative. So I'm going to choose creative right here. And then for our video format, we can either take it as a YouTube video, a TikTok clip, an Instagram reel, a LinkedIn post, movie scene, or a TV sitcom. So we'll continue with it being a YouTube video. And now let's create the script. So as you can see here, Vid.io has started to create the script itself. So the kind of shots that it would look like, the title itself, the voiceover, what kind of things it would look like, and so on and so forth. And there you go. So here is the script finished, all from a prompt of beach destinations to visit. We can also, again, create another script if we wanted to generate this. So now we have a script that we can produce for a YouTube video, and we will go ahead and use this later on. I will show you in a bit, so let's just copy this to clipboard. Now what we're going to do is let us take a look at what other AI tools that we can use within Vid.io. So I am here in the editor, and I'm going to create a new video. So again, you can explore different templates that Vid.io has from different social media posts and different platforms as well. So I'm going to create a new video from scratch. And let me show you what other AI tools that Vid.io has. So we have some multiple stock videos here and multiple stock music as well. We can add sound effects if we wanted to as well. So let's say that I select this video right here. So as you can see here, we have multiple panels that we can use to edit our video. Now let's go ahead and click on our video. And if we take a look at here, in the video section, we can remove background, we can remove a green screen, we can clean the audio, and we can remove or cut out dead air or awkward pauses. So these are AI tools that will allow you to quickly edit your videos and produce your videos much faster. So I'm going to show you the remove background tool. So let's click this. It will then analyze the image right here and judge which one is considered a foreground and considered a background. So as you can see, it's very quick. So if we hit play, we can see that it has managed to detect that this person is considered foreground and then everything else is considered a background. So again, of course, it is not perfect, but you can see how quickly it was able to recognize the video itself. If we do have a green screen, we can use this as well. And for clean audio, it is available as a pro version. And here, for removing silences, it counts towards our free version as well. Now I'm going to remove this video. And if you recall from the scripts that we have, we will go ahead and use this to create an AI video. So what we will do is we will go into audio, and then one of the audio tools available is text to speech. Let's click on this and we will paste our script. So we do have a limitation in terms of our script, but as you recall, with the script, it shows you all of the details, not just the voiceovers. So I'm just going to quickly edit this to use the voiceovers instead. There you go. So we can select the language that we have. We can also select the voice that we have. Okay, so once that we're happy with that, we can go ahead and add this text to speech or voiceover using the AI tool and add it to our project. This will then generate the entire voiceover, and then now we can see it is down here. Now we're going to match up whatever the content is by looking at all of the available stock videos that we have. So say for example, I was talking about the beach, so let's just use this.
Hey there, beach lovers. Are you looking for a place to relax and unwind?
There you are. And then what we can also do is we can easily add subtitles into this. So let's click on subtitles and then click auto subtitle. AI tool will then try to understand everything and transcribe it really quickly. So we have the clip of our audio, it's this one, and then what language, so it's in English. So let's go ahead and create subtitles. And here you are. So once that it's done, you should be able to see all of the different subtitles down here. And if I pan out, you can see it's all right here. You can also make changes to this if you want. So let's just click on the subtitle itself. And then we can either translate it, we can change the style. And also, we can add our own if we wanted to as well, or we can even download the subtitle if we want.
Hey there, beach lovers. Are you looking for a place to relax and unwind?
And there you go. So you've managed to easily create an AI video using all of the tools that is available in vid.io. So you're able to generate the script, you're able to change from text to speech and generate our voiceovers. And also we have lots of available stock videos. These are royalty free, so we can use them. And also we have easily managed to generate subtitles. So there we are. So we have our entire video generated. Of course, we would need to fix this a little bit more, add more details, add different videos. But now you have all of the knowledge that you can use to generate your own AI videos. Now, if you have found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.